What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I got a quick one here. I bought an attachment for this, that's right, the AT Max. Alright. Since I have the blue handle on the sand scoop, I went with this little clip here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this plastic screw off here. I'm going to take the shaft off. And I believe this piece pops right in place. It just gives it a little, it just makes it look a little bit cooler, I think, with the blue, you know what I mean? So let's try it. The newer videos of me doing some metal detecting. I like to go to the beach. And you guys know out there who metal detects, that the AT Max isn't the greatest for beaches. So I did some research. Stay tuned. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think the detector I purchased. And we'll see if anyone gets it right. But I did buy another one. I did do some research online. And it's supposed to be a good one. So what we'll do is we'll clean the sand out of here. I'm running out of battery on this GoPro, so if it goes dead, that's one thing about the GoPros. I started using them, and the batteries, they don't work for shit. So I think I'm going to go back to using my phone. So we clean that off. We take this guy here. We basically put it right in between. Just like this. You just sit it right on top. Let's see if it clicks in. Yeah, it kind of fits in there nice and snug. Then you're going to take your shaft and you're going to put it back in place. And we're just going to put the nut back through it. Well, there you go. After you have to, what you have to do is the holes it came with, I had to open it up just a little bit. I grabbed a little file and opened it up because the thicker part of this bolt here, this plastic bolt, wouldn't fit through, but it would fit through on the smaller end because, you know, you'll see when you have the bolt. But yeah, this is a little attachment. If you're looking to order one, I got it from this guy here. If you want to look it up online, that's what came in the mail. If you want to scan this guy, this thing was about, I think it was 14 bucks. It actually looks pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like. So if you're looking to get the attachment for the bottom of your coil here, just go on that guy's website and take a look at it. Not bad. And stay tuned because we have something. Let's see if I could just give you a little sneak peek here. I'm not going to tell you what's in the box, but after going to the beach, maybe 5 or 6 times with the, see if we could zoom in on this bad boy. No zooming. Well, whatever. The AT Max. All right. You can guess I picked up one for the beach. Comment below. We'll see if anyone guesses what detector I picked up. But from doing the research, it's one of the best you can get for the beach. And I'm gonna, you know, I enjoy it, so I went out and I got the best one. I should have done more research because I would have gotten this one first, and I would have saved. But I got to tell you, the AT Max works great in fields, so I'm going to use this in fields. But this one definitely for the beach. So comment below, let me know if you know what this is, and stay tuned. Next couple of days, I'll be posting an unveiling of what the detector is. And once you know what it is, we're going to do the unboxing, you know, blah, blah, blah. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. So if you're looking to replace it, go on that kid's website and grab it.